Hi everyone, my name is Kathy and I'm so happy to welcome you to my yoga channel, Yoga by Kathy. I'm a yoga instructor based in Ontario, Canada. I teach a variety of classes including hot yoga, hatha, vinyasa, and yin yoga. I started this channel because I wanted to make a yoga practice that is accessible to anyone who wants to practice yoga. I want to bring you classes that are accessible for wherever you are practicing, not limited to your physical location, but at the same time give you studio quality instructions. Aside from the various styles of yoga practice, I also want you to practice at a level that you feel safe and confident in. So I'll be guiding you through 4 main types of yoga practice. The first being beginner's yoga. This is perfect for someone who's just starting out with their yoga practice or someone who's looking for a more relaxed and grounded feel to their class. If you're unsure what the difference between upward dog or downward facing dog, then this is the class for you. If you are looking for detailed instructions to guide you safely into a posture or looking for a calming practice, this is also the ideal class. The second type of practice is intermediate or moderate type classes. So we'll be turning up the movement and we'll begin to introduce some more dynamic postures into the moderate intermediate classes. This is great for people who practice yoga for a bit and are familiar with the basic building blocks of the practice. There's lots of guidance still provided in these videos and instructions to allow you to choose between various movements. We'll be building on balance, strength, and flexibility. 3. Advanced classes. So the goal of advanced classes is to provide you a smooth and continuous practice with more focus on the breath and movement connection. It's suggested that you are familiar with some of the common names of postures and understand the ability of your own body and your own ranges of motion. We will work on peak postures to build into a fun arm balance or inversion. The classes are meant to be invigorating and energetic. And lastly, for all level classes, the use of props are suggested, different options and variations will be introduced. It serves to give something to everyone of all levels with a very wide range of practice focus. In the future, I'll be adding weekly series for specific practice, tutorials for a deeper look at certain postures, and also longer practices across all series of yoga, giving you 40-minute, 60-minute classes that you can really allow your body to sink into and get the full benefits of a yoga practice. I have lots planned in the future to share, so please be patient and give me your feedback to what you would like to see or work on in the future. I promise that I will never teach any postures or practice that is outside my own area of expertise or anything I don't practice myself. So be sure that I am providing classes that I have 100% confidence in guiding you and teaching you. I am still working on my own yoga practice at the same time, so I am really excited to be sharing this journey with you. And in the meantime, please hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up to this video, and leave your comments in the section below as to what you would like to see or work on in the future. I hope you will join me on this journey, and I will see you on the mat. Thank you and namaste.